have legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. Okay, legislature is the government which passes the law. The legislator will pass the law in the country. Okay, where it is situated? It is situated in Delhi. Where it is situated? In Delhi. Understood this much, boys? Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many types of organs are there? There are three types of
Three types of
organs:
organs.
the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. Okay. Most important topic: the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. There are three types of organs. Okay. See, the
Please
legislator means it
out.
is. Sorry, your voice is cutting, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Three
Yes,
types
ma'am.
of
Your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
हवा का आवाज आ रहा है फू फू ऐसे.
now it is clear.
No.
Now
Now
also it is
also
not.
it's coming.
Siddhi
Now
ma'am,
also
your voice
not
is
coming.
clear. You can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is clear. You can continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Some problems with the network issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, legislator passes the laws in the country. It, the legislator, which is situated in Delhi, passes the law and creates the laws in the country. Okay, then these laws are obeyed and passed to the executive. Okay, understood the legislator? What is the meaning of legislator, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is a it is situated in Delhi. It creates and passes all the laws in the country. Okay, then these laws are passed and then arrangement is done and then they are obeyed. Okay, we have to follow that law. Okay, where is legislator situated? It is situated in Delhi. Okay, clear about that, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
Yes.
second organ is the executive. The second organ is executive. Okay, what is the meaning of executive? It functions of executions and administration of laws. Which the laws which are made by legislator, it is passed to executive. That government will function or administrate the laws. Okay, it will frame and execute the laws and then changes are done in that laws and then only it is implemented. The executive means it is the function of execution, and administration means the laws which are passed by legislator will that laws in that some changes are done and then we obey that laws. Understood the meaning of executive, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then comes judiciary. Then comes judiciary. It is the third organ. Okay. It functions and take action against people who are breaking the laws. Means the person who is not the laws which are passed by legislature and executive, the person who is not obeying the laws, okay, they are breaking the laws, then it punishes the people. Judiciary punishes the people. Okay, so understood the meaning meaning of the three organs of the government, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All the boys?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
100% boys?
मैम सब बॉयज ज्वाइन नहीं हुए.
Okay, nice of it.
Yes.
Then who will read the first paragraph?
मैम आई भी.
Ma'am, can I?
मैम आई.
John.
मैम आई.
John, I have told John Varteji. Start
He is
reading.
not replying.
जॉन वर्तेजी.
सो गया है ज्वाइन होके.
Then who will read?
Kalwa Ismail, I will read.
Read.
There are three organs of the government.
No, first of all speak. Chapter number 10, organs of government.
Chapter
Ma'am,
number
can I
10,
read after him?
organs of government. There are three organs of the government: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. We shall study in detail the formation of all these three organs of the government, their power, their function, and their interpersonal relation. One of the main objectives of the nation is to maintain law and order, and thereby achieve the welfare of the
Nation.
nation, and at the same time to nurture and to protect the freedom and fundamental right of the citizen. For the progressive development of the state, it is necessary that all the three organs of the government, which the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary, work in mutual unity, cooperation, and coordination, so that the government can run its administration effectively and efficiently. The legislature frames the laws, the executive implements the framed laws, and the judiciary maintains law and order by punishing the people who violate the law.
Wait. So I have explained you why these three organs are developed for the people, for the progress of the nation. Okay, so these three organs work mutual unity, cooperation, and coordination. Means these three organs which are there works coordinately, means with the cooperation they are moving, okay, for the progress of the nations. And I have told you that legislator frames the law, executive implements the law, in short words it is given, okay, and judiciary, who are not following the law, who are not maintaining the law and order, punishes the person who violates the law. Understood this much? Which are the three functions of boys?
Yes, ma'am.
The main function of the legislator, who will tell me? Who will tell me the main function of the legislator?
John.
Speak. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Main function of the legislator.
Ma'am, to pass the law, which is implemented.
No, sorry. It frames the law and
Acha,
then
it
it is
frames the
passed
law.
to the executive.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then main function of executive:
Execute the law.
implements the law or execute the law. Okay. If any changes are there, then the executive will do it. Then what is the main function of the judiciary?
Ma'am, to judge, nahin, to pass the judgment. Nahin, it is work.
No, it
No, ma'am.
maintains
That
the
is that.
law.
No, I know that. Can I tell?
Yes.
It. Sorry. It take actions against the person who breaks the law, something like that.
Yes, who violates the law, the person is punished, or who breaks the law, the person is punished by the judiciary. Understood this much? Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
understood?
Yes.
So, I am showing you on one another screen. Wait. In that, see, in legislature of parliament, what it consists of? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Legislature of Parliament. It is consist of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So the law which are framing will be coming from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Understood, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The laws which are framed will be coming from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So legislature of parliament consists of which two sabhas, that is Lok
That
Sabha
Lok Sabha and
and Rajya Sabha. Okay. What is this responsibility of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? To make laws.
Make law.
Understood this much? To make
law.
Yes.
laws.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this much, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
In that, we who is present means the person who, which persons are present, that is president and vice president. President and vice president are present there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then comes executive. Who will come? Executive. Second organ is executive. Okay. So it consists of president, vice president, and cabinet ministers. Wait, in this there is some mistake. In this executive, president, vice president, prime minister, all are present. Okay, understood this much, beta? Boys, boys,
Yes.
yes or no? In executive, who are present? Cabinet of minister, president, vice president, okay, prime minister, all are present in the
Okay, ma'am.
executive. Then the laws which are made by legislator will be passed by executive. The laws which are made by legislator will be passed by whom? Executive. Understood? Second organ of the government. Then
Yes.
third it is judiciary. Third, it is judiciary. It
Judiciary.
consists, yes, it consists of Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court means what? Who will tell me?
Highest court of the means there are three level of the court that
Yes.
I just forgot that medium law that first court I just forgot. Second is the High Court and third is Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court is the highest one in the whole. Means it is the best one of that of Gujarat Supreme Court is situated at Ahmedabad.
I didn't understand, beta.
There are three type of courts. The first one is I don't remember, but second one is High Court and third one is Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court is the best one, best court. So means it is the high
All
power of
the
the
means
court.
if the person has gone to district court and he can't fight for the case, then he can go to high court. If high court also not solves the problem, then he will move to the Supreme Court. The final decision will come from the Supreme Court. Understood this much,
Yes,
boys?
ma'am.
Understood? It's solve all the problems are solved from the Supreme
Ma'am, what
Court.
if
Understood? Sorry. And its responsibility is to solve all the problems between executive and legislator or other public related matters. Means all the public related matters are solved by the Supreme Court. Understood, boys? Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Supreme Court is the highest
The highest
court
power
that,
court.
yes, he is having highest power. Then comes high court, which is at the state level, and then comes bottom, that is trial courts, civil courts, criminal courts, subordinate courts, district courts, all the courts which are situated in cities, and that all. Okay. So first is legislator. It consists of two, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Then second is executive. It consists of president, vice president, cabinet minister, prime minister. Legislator passes the legislator makes the law, then it is passed to the executive, and then executive pass the laws made by legislator. And third comes that is judiciary. Judiciary consists of Supreme Court, High Court, state level court, that is trial courts, civil courts, criminal courts, and subordinate courts. Okay, understood? The person who is not following the law, who is not obeying the law, then he is punished by judiciary. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
100%. So now we will, you have to read this third paragraph. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, start. The legislator as per the Constitution of India. Start.
The legislature, as per the Constitution of India, consists of a parliament and at the center and legislative assembly at the state level. The
Wait,
executive
wait,
as
wait, wait. Legislator, as per the Constitution, what it consists of? Parliament, which is situated in Delhi. Okay? And legislative assemblies that are situated at the state level. Okay. Next. I have explained you. The legislature consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, that is parliament, and legislative at the state level, legislative assemblies. Okay, next, read.
the executive, as per the Constitution of India, I had read that.
Yes, read.
Prime Minister and Cabinet Minister and the administrative system at the center, and the governor, the chief minister and his cabinet and administrative system at the state level. Whereas in
Okay,
the
wait. I have told
judiciary,
you. I have told you that executive consists of which? The president, the prime minister, the vice president, the cabinet minister, and the administrative system, which is at the center of the governor. Means
no, ma'am,
the
that administrative minister was not done and at the list that you show us.
in that list it is not given, but in your textbook it is given. And then next,
Yeah, I just forgot that. Where was it? System
the
in the
chief
state level.
minister.
Where in the judiciary, the Supreme Court is at the top. In the middle are high courts of the state, and at the bottom there are
Subordinate.
subordinate courts, district courts, and special courts. Thus,
I
the
have told you.
judiciary is a separate, independent, and so organized whole, which is completely a part of the legislative
Let
and executive.
understood this much, beta? Understood this much, boys?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this much?
You have left no that last one paragraph, means last three lines of this.
That I am explaining. These two paragraph clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the three organs of the government, boys? Tell me fast.
Legislative, executive, and
Judiciary.
that last one I don't.
Judiciary.
Judiciary. Yeah, thank you.
Judiciary. Okay. So legislature consists of which two houses?
Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament and Rajya Sabha is
Upper
the
house.
upper house of the parliament. Okay. Then second, executive consists of
What, ma'am?
executive consists of
That pass the law, means execute or
I have not asked the function. Which people executive is consisting?
President, Vice President,
Cabinet Minister, Prime Minister.
And their administrative system. Okay. Then judiciary consists of which courts?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, which is at the highest level, then comes High Court, and then comes subordinate courts, district courts, and special court. Understood this much?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now third paragraph you are giving that all the powers which all the powers which are at the center, which we are following, it is completely it is completely interdependent on legislative and executive. Means some law is coming, okay, then from where it is coming? First of all, it is coming from legislative, then it comes from executive, we are we are following. Okay, judiciary is separate. What is the function of judiciary? Judiciary punishes the people. Okay,
Yes,
judiciary
ma'am.
punishes the people, but legislator and executive, what are the function of legislator and executive? Legislator means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In parliament, all the laws are made, and then it is passed to executive. In so the our prime minister, cabinet minister, chief minister, they are making some changes if it is done, and then they are implementing that laws, and the person who are not following, that person is punished by judiciary. So legislature and executive both are totally interdependent, but judiciary is separate. Understood third paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read. Read beta. Boys, who is reading? Tell me.
Sorry, ma'am. I just mistakenly just got cut this call. India is a
Okay.
union of states. No state is completely independent and sorry. What? Soviet region. India parliamentary system has divided the power according to the principle of state division of powers between the center and the state, such as
State.
the legislative and executive is totally independent as each other,
Interdependent.
interdependent on each other. Where
Whereas
the judiciary is separate, independent, and impartial
impartial
organ.
organ. Okay. So understood this much, three paragraph, the introduction part. Which are the
Yes,
three
ma'am.
organs? What are the function of three organs, and which people consist of which things are included in these three organs of the government? Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in next lecture we will move to the principle, and then legislator we will discuss it. Okay, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt related to this topic? Most
No.
important, most important topic lesson. So you have to see it properly. Okay. Okay, boys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So bye bye.
Bye.